Hi, this is Mary with My Beautiful Mess, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you've been following along, I've been doing different types of happy planner, Christmas theme stuff. So today I'm going to make a little happy planner snow globe. So bear with me because this could be like a total disaster. It'll either go like amazingly well or it'll be horrible. Okay, so here I'm just gonna lay out like all the things that I think I'm going to need. So I have a sticker book, I have some scissors, I have some foam sticky tape. You can find this in the scrapbooking aisle at like Michael's and Hobby Lobby. It's typically with like the adhesives. And then I have some clear acetate. Again, you can find it at craft stores. You can also find it at office supply stores. And all it is just a clear, it's just a clear plastic. It normally comes in a letter size sheet. But for this project, I've kind of already cut it down a little bit so it'd be easier to handle. And then I've just kind of scored it because I plan on kind of using it to like stand up. So you can just bend it and you'll score it just to kind of give it like, kind of like a standing feel like that, see? And then we also have a snow globe. And this I actually bought, I bought it at Hobby Lobby. I'm sure other craft stores sell it. It was $5.99, but then like everything was 50% off, all the Christmas stuff. So I got it for half of that. And then I also got they're called foam pebbles, but it's just basically like a fake snow. They had, if you wanted to use it, they had like snow that was kind of more flake-like and it was iridescent. So it was actually very pretty. So, but I think that would work really well too. But for this, I'm going to use foam pebbles. So, and then I have the Christmas Joy sticker book. This is a book that they came out with, and it's got lots and lots and lots of really pretty Christmas stickers. And you can use any sticker you want, but I am going to be using this Happy Christmas sign, and hopefully it'll fit in here really well. It was either between that one or this one, but I really, really, really want the Happy Christmas because it looks more mammy-like. Okay, so this globe actually comes in different parts. You can take off this, and this is actually used like if you wanted to make like a water globe with like some glycerin and stuff. But we're gonna do a dry globe because I don't think water and stickers are going to work too well together. So we're gonna do a dry snow globe. So this actually pops back in, and this will become our base that we're going to apply our little thing to. We're just gonna see if it works. Hopefully it works and I don't completely mess this up. Okay, so first things first. So if you haven't already done it, I would cut your acetate down where you can kind of work with it really well. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna place a sticker right here, and we're going to kind of cut this way because the bottom has to be small enough to actually fit like on the base. And then our sticker will be up here so that when we stick it inside the globe, we can kind of stand it up. And we're going to adhere it with these little this foam tape here. So we're going to put our sticker on, and then we're just gonna kind of cut around it. And then we're gonna have to bend it to get it inside, I think, and pop it up. And so we'll see how this goes. So we do need to allow for a little bit of space here at the bottom before we put our sticker. So, obviously I'd give it like a couple of inches or two. And so I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do and just stick that on. If I put this on the bottom, I'm just gonna kind of use my best judgment because I really don't know how this is going to all work out. I may have to readjust the sticker and that's okay if I do. I'm not going to actually even push it down and like until I know that I have the sticker in the right place. Okay, so after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and trim this bottom part down because I know that it's gonna have to kind of fit on here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and at the very least trim that part down. So I'm just gonna cut some of that off because no matter what, that is definitely gonna have to come out. And if you wanted, you could actually use like an X-Acto knife to do this. I think that would be fine. Let me get rid of that. Okay, and let's see how this fits on here. Okay, so this is gonna have to be a little smaller. Trim that down. Okay, let's see how this fits. Oh, much better, much better, much better. So we're just going to trim the edges. I'm just going to round the little edges here so that it fits. And we're getting warmer. We're getting warmer. This might work pretty well. Okay, so you can kind of see where I'm going with this. We're going to stand that up and then we're going to start cutting around here now to try to see. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of measure that again and just see, I'm hoping that it kind of just falls right there in that sweet spot. So I'm just going to take a plunge, y'all. I've got some extra acetate. If this doesn't work out, if it doesn't work out, I'll be back with new acetate and we'll cut it again. We'll just see how this works. It's funny, like when you do crafts like this, like it's kind of trial and error. And a lot of times you have a vision in your head of what like you want it to look like. And you just kind of have to bite the bullet and see what happens. But here's my thought. You can bend it to stick it in. Okay, we're gonna have to do that. And then, see, my thought is it will kind of rest right in there. And I think I'm just gonna have to trim it down just like a little more. So we're just gonna have to get like really close to that edge, I think. And it won't even hurt if you go all the way as close as you can to the sticker. I do not think it'll hurt one bit. Okay, let's see how that fits now. Yep, I think that's gonna work, y'all. I think it's gonna work. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's open this up. I would recommend putting your snow in first, just my 2 cents. We'll find out if that's the right advice. Y'all, okay, oh my gosh, I spilled this everywhere. Okay, like anybody who has followed me for any amount of time knows that I am just like a complete hot mess. Like this is just what you get, okay? So, sorry. I am not super prepared when it comes to crafts. Like I just kind of experiment. I was actually an artist, in case you didn't know. I was actually an artist in England for a number of years. And I actually even had an open studio where people would like watch me work, and I hated it because this is me. Like, this is how I do, this is how I do art. I just spilt snow everywhere, y'all. I just spilt it everywhere. Okay. This is how I do art. It's trial and error. So I just filled it up. I kind of filled it up off camera, and that's why you didn't see me spill it everywhere, to try to keep my surface as clean as possible. But I have snow everywhere. So I'm gonna leave that here. I'm just gonna like leave that there. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is, this is actually double-sided foam tape. Well, y'all, I am still spilling this, y'all. I'm getting it everywhere. This is just a hoot and a half, right? Okay. So this is double-sided foam tape. I'm just gonna peel off a couple of these, and I'm gonna stick them on. I would say stick them kind of on your edges, and then you'll have to peel off the other side. It's kind of hard to get to. You can use an X-Acto knife if you can't really get to it with your nails, okay? And then we're just gonna stick that on. I'm going to stick it on as well as I can. Oop, I think I did it too far. I did it too far up ahead. I wanna try to make sure I'm covering as much as I can here. Okay, I think we got it. Okay, so I'm gonna bend this back a little bit because I actually do want it to stand up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bend it a little bit, and we're gonna stick that in, and we're just gonna kind of work our way inside. And we may need to add some more snow. We can open it up if it doesn't. Look at that! Look how cute that is. Y'all, that's cute. That is really cute. I like it. I think I might need to trim it a little more here on the sides because I don't like the way it's bending on the inside. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, watch this thing explode with all that snow I just put in there. Okay, I am actually gonna cut the sticker a little bit. Oops, see all this little snow stuff is coming off. So I'm actually gonna cut a little bit more on the sticker. I'm gonna actually cut some of the sticker off, but that's okay because I want it to sit right in the snow globe. I'd rather it cut off some of that excess sticker and sit right, because it's just gonna annoy me otherwise. Like, I'm just gonna be honest, it just annoyed me. And I think I might even actually trim that down a little bit too while we're at it, just so it fits better, you know, just so it fits better. And I think, y'all are gonna hate me. I'm gonna add more snow. And you can add as much, obviously you can add as much snow as you want to, but I want lots of snow. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna stick that in there. I might actually, I want to make sure it's, okay. The snow hates me. The snow hates me. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm so glad my husband is not watching me do this because oh my God, he would not stop laughing. Okay. Okay, I just want this to make sure that it stands up okay. So I'm gonna do that, stick it in. Okay, I think we did it. I think we did it. I do, I think we're done. And we're gonna just, we're gonna twist it. Oh, look at that, y'all, look at that. Look how cute that is. Look how adorable that is. I love it. I really, really, really love it. And that's just gonna kind of sit on my desk. It's just gonna be something that I can look at and enjoy when I'm doing my planner. this Christmas. So I'll have a finished picture here because I'm actually going to, I think I'm going to tie some ribbon around it and make it even a little more Christmassy. And so yeah, I think I'm just going to use maybe some baker's twine, wrap it around a few times if you have it, and I'll have a finished picture for you right here at the end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube video and my YouTube channel. I can't always promise that I'm going to do everything perfectly, but I can promise it'll be entertaining. Okay, thanks for watching. And also, if you're on Instagram, please find me for all my Happy Planner spreads and more Happy Planner ideas and tips. That my Instagram handle is paper n, the letter N, plans. And I'll make sure I put that in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.